Okay, here we go. Session 12. This is the last content topic of sociology of the family, and it ends with divorce and remarriage. I would like to say I'm not an expert in this, though I feel that I am. If you read my introduction in the beginning of the class, I have had a pretty rough experience with a divorce and a glorious experience with a remarriage. And so I understand a lot about divorce and remarriage and how that affects children and family units. And I'm sure, based upon statistics in the world, many of you have experience here as well. You will read and review chapter 15 this week. And then you will complete the macro divorce factors journal. Remember, macro factors are big, overarching, large, huge, big scale as it relates to anything in society. And then micro, very much small scale, local, small community, individualistic, just that what it means to be micro. And so we're going to talk about some of those factors and how macro and micro factors really do put pressure on and relate to divorce and the breakdown of the family unit. So spend some time there. And then your session 12 lecture notes will correspond with your chapter 15 reading. So even though that is the end of the content of Sociology 213, that's not the end of Sociology 213 because you still have your final project, and that is due in session 13. I will tell you that if you have not begun the work for your final project yet, you probably need to put it in double overtime and get started on that ASAP. Please be mindful that there is no late work accepted for the final project. There is no late work accepted in session 12 either because the late work deadline was in between of session 11 and session 12. But super, super important that you commit to getting that final project done. You look over those pieces and parts of the final project that is in session 13. Review my video that I recorded for you that outlines what to do in each one of those parts. And please let me know immediately if you have any questions or concerns about that final project. Other than that, I hope that you enjoy finishing up the last session of content for the course. And I hope that you set aside a large amount of time to go ahead and get started on your final project. Please make sure that you communicate with me early and often if you're having issues or you have any questions. Have a fantastic day.